to protect children, and the
you're
argument
joking.
regulators need even
What a
stronger
prat.
plans. Here's our business correspondent, Kate.
The Wild West. Tragic stories. An era where we didn't have an energy crisis, so things like always putting a lid on a pan when you're boiling things, using the right size pan, so not wasting energy by using a pan that's too small, either for what you put in it or for the ring of the hob that you're using, steaming things above, say, a pan of pasta, using the absorption method, which uses a very minimal amount of water to cook both rice and pasta, so that's faster. It actually results in nicer rice and pasta, in my opinion, as well.